It's Carmen with NUNET Duo. And if you have a large SUV, truck, RV, camper, motorhome, anything, golf cart, whatever it may be, this is the portable kit you're looking for to keep that thing clean. All right, so we're gonna quickly build this. We're gonna put these poles together and I'm gonna show you how cool this thing is. So it's great because you can take it on the go. You can use it if you're camping, if you're traveling. You can take apart the poles, put it in this bucket because this is a collapsible bucket, which is great. You can see this just all slips together like so. Has a nice little hand pad here. And then we have our big brush head, which is going to make cleaning a whole lot easier. It also has a spot here that you can connect your hose to it directly. And it also has this on-off toggle switch, which is great, so we can screw this directly into the bottom here and we can connect our hose. Also, if you have a quick connect hose system, it comes with one of these as well. I do not, so we're going to take that off. All right, so let's fill up this bucket and run some water through this brush and see how it works. All right, so here we are. We're all connected up. We got the water going. I have a slight leak, but it does come with Teflon tape, which is useful to help seal that leak. So it has this on-off toggle switch here. We're going to turn it on. And there we go. We got water coming out. So it makes washing off your vehicle a whole lot easier because you have that water coming right out of that brush. I'm able to move dirt and debris without any issue whatsoever, just coming right off my car just like that. You can turn it off when you're all done. And when you're all finished with this and you're ready to move on, if you choose to, you can disassemble it, put it back in your collapsible waterproof bag, and throw it back in the car or throw it back in your RV and head off to the next thing. So if you're looking for an extendable, soft, huge bristle brush with a water line running through it to make your life a whole lot easier when you're washing just about any vehicle, check this one out. Our friend sent over. I'm loving this thing. It's going to cut my wash time in half.